Okay, so this is a little bit of a different video. I was definitely not planning on making this video, but as you can see in the title, my drone crashed. More details at the end of this video. And also, according to YouTube statistics, only a smaller percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up finding this video interesting or you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing. It is free and helps me out, and you can always unsubscribe later. First things first, you might remember my drone. This is what it looked like. And basically I filmed all of the drone shots on this channel with this drone. And as you can see, I'm not at home. This is a hotel room basically. And that's because we are currently traveling. And I was hoping that I could do really cool drone shots, but at the very first drone shot I tried this holiday, my drone basically crashed. And I couldn't find it, but the full story at the end of this video. Now I will do a little bit of a best of the drone shots I got with this drone, and you'll see that right now. Okay, so now I will tell you how the whole thing happened. So, there's a balcony out here, and I went on the balcony with my drone, and as you could see in the last video, the arm on the top right side of my drone broke. It came loose a little bit, and I tried it back home and I could still fly, and I did all of those shots with the broken drone, no problem. So I thought everything would be fine. And I was planning on flying here a little bit and just taking some shots to use in the video that you'll see next week, because next week will be a vlog, so stay tuned. So I wanted to take the drone shots, and then I flew a little bit further, about maybe 75 meters away from me, roundabout, and then I went into the settings of the drone quickly and checked what frequency I was on, because I had very bad picture quality. And when I exited the settings, I could just see the front arm in my picture, the drone vertically, lots of motion blur, and then just black picture, so I kind of freaked out a little bit. And I went outside and searched for it, and then I went relatively close to the drone on this bridge, and I reconnected to the drone, but the image was just grey, so I guess kind of the camera came loose. And also, none of the videos I did was saved, which is a bit weird. But, long story short, I lost my drone, which is really unfortunate. It is double unfortunate because I wanted to take really cool drone shots this holiday, which I now can't do. If you like this short video, plus the compilation, then make sure to subscribe and leave a like. And I'll see you next week in the vlog, which will hopefully be exciting even though there won't be any drone shots. See you soon, goodbye.